Now, the story that I'm going to share with you today is something that happened in 2019. I used scripting to manifest the jobs that I really desired. I started with the deliberate practice of law of attraction in the year 2018. That was when I actually started learning about law of attraction. I was introduced to this concept. So scripting, visualization, everything I started learning about in the year 2018. I had applied for 3 job positions as a news editor, as a news reader, as well as a website editor. There were thousands of applicants for these 3 positions, and I was eligible to apply for all the 3. Now, this is really important to let you know that there are 3 stages to get selected for these 3 job positions. And there was no hard and fast rule that if you are getting selected in one position, you won't be getting selected for the other positions. You can actually get selected for all 3 if you are applying, and of course if you are eligible. Okay, so coming back to the story of law of attraction and manifestation. Before the written exam, which was the first stage of qualification, I started scripting. Just hold on, because I'm going to show you the exact script that I have written every single day that I qualified this stage. Then after qualifying the first stage using the scripting method, there was the second stage, which is the audition stage. Again, I started scripting down about the results that I desire. And guess what? Again, I got selected in the audition phase as well. And the final stage was the interview stage. And of course, with my scripting method, I got selected for that as well. And not only that, I got selected not for one post, but all the 3, because that was what I was affirming in my scripting. So what did I exactly do? So this is the script that I used. I was absolutely shocked by the results, but you know what? There was this gut feeling inside me that was telling me, that knowingness, that yes, I'm going to get selected, and lo and behold, the results were there. I was among the 2 people who got selected for all the 3. So that is how magical, that is how strong the scripting method is. And remember, while scripting, I was not just writing the things down, I was feeling inside me. I was using all the emotions within me to describe how it is going to feel like once I have the jobs. How am I going to be really happy when somebody tells me that I am selected for all these posts? So feeling the feeling is very important. That knowingness in your gut is very important in the scripting process. The reason why a lot of people are not able to manifest is they are not feeling while scripting. So the next time you are doing the scripting, you should also use all your emotions with you. That is when you manifest, and it is so magical. You are bound to get results. You are bound to get it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Bye bye for now.